It's a 2018 Ford F-150. Smart enough and tough enough to stand the test of time, the F-150 is a leader at the job site. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. AM/FM stereo radio, 3 12-volt power outlets, manual tilting steering column, capless fuel filler, manual telescoping steering column, V6 engine, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and easy lift and lower tailgate. The Car Connection explains, make no mistake, every square inch is detailed to cheat the wind to make it easier to extract every possible tenth of a mile per gallon from a classically styled pickup truck. Every generation has its Ford. This one's yours. Hurry in today and see it for yourself. You're not just a number at Cowles Nissan. You're a family member. We work hard to make owning a new vehicle easy, fun, and affordable. We're conveniently located at 14777 Jefferson Davis Highway in Woodbridge.